Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is week 4 of the Witches Brigade Halloween Hop that I'm participating in, and it's been organized by Wendy Lee. I will link her and all of the other crafters who are involved in this hop down below in the description box, so be sure to check out all of their videos too. This is the final week. We've had so much fun creating all these different Halloween projects, and thank you if you've been watching all of them. I know I've been having a lot of fun, and I hope you have too. I will link my weeks 1, 2, and 3 videos down below if you missed them. This week's theme is a haunted house, a 3D haunted house. So when Wendy asked me if I wanted to join in my hop, in her hop, she was telling me all the different themes. And she said, this week's, the final theme is a haunted house. And she said, maybe you can make one of your tissue boxes. And instantly I said, yep, that will be perfect. I can't wait to do that. I've never made a Halloween tissue box before, I don't think. So I am so excited to show you what I made. I used a die set from KSCRAFT that I will link also in the description box. And I also have a tutorial on how to put together one of these tissue boxes, and I will link that below as well. So let me show you the different products I use before we get started. There's quite a few. I used this trim that is so popular this Halloween. Tony from Craft Purge, I think she's an initial one who got it and showed everybody how cool it is. So we all went out and got it. It's this black mesh that has silver trim on it, and it's just wonderfully pliable, and it goes well in so many different Halloween projects. So I use that again, just a little bit, you'll see. And I use these purple flat back gems that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I use some stickles, and I use the Twinkle one. I have a lot of different clear stickles, but I use this one because it has a purple tint to it. I use these black flat back gems. I got these at Walmart. They have different colors. They're available in their paper crafting section. I think they're like 99 cents. Okay, well, we will show the ribbon since it's in October. I used this trim. This is from Hobby Lobby, and it is just some black pom-pom trim. I used this trim that I got at Joann's. I think it was, 2019. So it's a bat trim, and it's made out of felt. So this is really cute. You can cut these apart or just use them as is, which I did. I also used this trim. This I gotten at AC Moore before it closed. I love this trim. It's like a really thick, kind of like a canvasy orange with black stitching around the edges. And I also used this one from AC Moore. This says Boo in green glitter on top of purple glitter ribbon. And yeah, another one that I love. Miss that store. They had such different crafting kind of things. But anyway, let's move on. I used one of these little ghosties. This was from all these are from the Dollar Tree. I got this pack last year. I don't know what happened to my packaging, but I put them in a Ziploc bag. I used a couple stickers from this grouping. This was from Halloween Michael's, I don't know, last year or the year before. So I just took a couple out of my stash. I used a few of these pumpkin stickers. These are from Jolie's, and they're plastic stickers. Really cool. I also used one or two from here. These were from Hobby Lobby when they used to have Halloween crafting stuff. I think it was from last year or the year before. Does it say? 2017. Okay, quite a while ago, but super cute. And let me move these over. I used a ghosty from here. I just think these are the cutest, these ghosts. Where did I get this? I don't remember. I think it was Joann's, but cute ghosts. And I used some from here as well, also Sticko. And I used one or two of these ghosts. These are from the Dollar Tree, I think this year. I don't see a year, but I think it was, or last year. I can't keep track anymore. But then I used papers from 2 different DCWV paper pads. These are new this year. I used Halloween Town and I also used Halloween Party a little bit, but most of it was Halloween Town. So I'm just going to move this over so I could show you my little tissue box. So this tissue box cover will fit over a regular square tissue box. Let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so let's go through the different sides. Well, let me show you all around first. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I use this candy corn paper for the background. I like to use just like a cute small scale pattern paper for the background, and then you can embellish it, with bigger things. I use some purple mirror, well, kind of, yeah, mirror cardstock, but it's kind of brushed, a matte foil. And let's see, and I use some orange paper for the window frames and for the door. I added that ribbon all around the edges, as you can see. I like to put trim around the bottom edge. It makes it a little bit more stable as well. There's that ribbon on the top, the orange one, cute little ghost on the door. It says trick or treat, and it's got like this dimensional sticker here and another one on this side. I added a banner that was from one of the sticker packs on the top, and there's that black pom-pom trim along the roof line. I love to use pom-pom trim on the roofs of these tissue boxes. And then I used a couple of flat back bats. I don't remember where I got these, and I can't find the packaging. There are those purple gemmies and the black one. So that's the front of it. So let's move on to the next side. Here you can see the roof a little bit better, and I love this paper. This is from the Halloween Town collection. This one, I just love that hearse with the Grim Reaper driving. I think it's adorable. And this has some purple foil. That's why I added some purple accents. And this is one of the cut-aparts that says Fright This Way. I rounded the corners, just added some of those plasticky Jolie stickers, and that's all I did for that side. Very simple. On the back, another cut apart that I rounded the corners. I added a banner that says Scary. That was from, I don't think I showed you the packaging for that, but that is also from Michael's, from a past year sticker pack. So I love the roof line, the trim that's available with this die set. It's just really fun, and I think it looks really nice. Okay, and the last side, I added some cute like dimensional stickers and another banner that says Happy Halloween. I added some dimensional flags as well, another window. And for the chimney, I used this cute jack-o'-lantern paper. I thought because it had lines, it looked kind of like bricks, so I thought that would be good for the chimney. There's that Dollar Tree felt ghost, and just for now, until I actually use it as a tissue box, I put some of that trim in the chimney just to, it looks like smoke coming out. So yeah, that is my haunted house tissue box, my project for this week. I hope you like it. Again, I will leave links down below to the die set and to my tutorial on how to put together a tissue box, just in case you have it or you plan on getting it and you don't know where to start because the pieces are not labeled, and sometimes it's helpful just to see how somebody else puts it together. All right, so thank you for joining me. That's it for this week. Again, be sure to visit everybody else in the hub. Thanks for joining me for all of the weeks that we've had. It's been really, really fun, and I hope we could do something like this again in the future. All right, everybody, take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.